I was in first grade when my folks moved to the Greenville area, and I've been here ever since. My wife Dawn was born and raised here, and we've raised 3 children here. We absolutely love this community, and most importantly, its people. Not only have I had the privilege of serving the community through my profession, I've had the absolute joy and honor of coaching many of our high school baseball players over the last 20 years. Lord, thank you so much for this day. We start every day in our office with a prayer because every one of us here believes our talents are truly a gift from God. Allow us to be your voice and your hands to the patients that we see. And how we choose to use them is our gift to Him. It is truly a blessing to work with this team and with our great family of patients.
That feeling of family, it's one of the many reasons Katie and I moved here from Ohio. We were looking for the perfect place to raise our 2 daughters, and there's no doubt we found it right here.
Josh and I hit it off immediately. He has a true servant's heart, and he loves sports too. In fact, he was a student team dentist when he was at Ohio State.
The thing that makes me most proud is the way that everybody here treats our patients, with kindness and respect.
The staff in the front are so open and caring, and they make you feel at home. I feel so close to them that I shared with them that I was pregnant before I told a lot of my family members. They were so excited and kept track of the pregnancy and called me and wanted to know how things were going and offered to bring meals after the baby was born.
My grandfather was actually one of the first modern dentists here in the area. I feel so proud and honored to carry on that tradition.
There's a lot of new advancements in technology today, but I'm excited to build on the foundation my dad established here. And it all starts with good, honest dentistry.
I've been coming to Dr. Halbert's office for probably over 20 years. I had issues with the teeth being very brittle, very sensitive.
It's all about what's best for each individual patient. If there's a problem, we decide what it is and what options are available.
He was very caring, very reassuring. He never pressured me. You know, he just kind of laid out the options, and we just made a good decision based on that.
And then together, we'll decide what, if any, treatment we'll do.
We had done a lot of repair work, and it was 6 of the front teeth, and we had decided what we were going to do is just do crowns. And my big thing was I wanted them to look natural. I did not want to look like all teeth. After the entire process was over, and he had replaced the front teeth with just some crown work, I think he was as proud as I was when he handed me the mirror, and I was able to see it was like a transformation. I just couldn't say enough good things about it. I haven't stopped smiling since, I don't think, and that's been over 10 years ago. So.
When you come to our office, you're treated like family. Our goal is to establish a long-term relationship with each and every one of our patients.
We don't see a specialized pediatric dentist for our children. We brought them in here for their very first dental exam when they were small, and we all come here. The fact that they have the word family in the name of the practice is very appropriate.
We have a unique gift of making people feel welcome, at ease, and surrounded by fun in an office environment that typically people would label as scary. It truly is an office like no other.
One of the things I absolutely love about working here is the heart that we have.
There's no telling how much work our docs have donated over the years, but I can promise you that it's 10 times more than what anybody actually knows about.
It's all about giving back. We've been so blessed to have the people of this community support us for all these years. So we've all spent a lot of our Saturdays treating patients who maybe don't have enough money to go to the dentist. And that's okay. Just to see them smile is payment enough.
I was a patient before I started working here and already a big fan of the practice. I firmly believe in the power of positive thought. Smile and the world smiles with you. Plus, when you smile, a lot less wrinkles.
It gave me much more confidence in just me as a woman. It gave me more confidence with me in my professional job. It was a really moving experience because it was just like a total transformation.
Being a coach, I know exactly how quickly accidents can happen on the field. Many of our patients can trace their first visit with us to a late-night emergency to treat an accident. Most evenings, we're open until 8 p.m. at both locations, and we have doctors on call 24/7.
And even if it's not an emergency, we're not going to make you wait. We love spending time with you, but we know how important your time is.
I feel so blessed to be working side by side with my dad and all the people here. We're committed to stay on the cutting edge of the newest technology.
We place and restore implants. We use CAD/CAM technology with precision milling to place same-day crowns.
It used to be a 2-week process. Now you come in, we optically scan an image of the tooth, we send it to a milling machine which precision mills it, and you leave that day with your crown in place.
On a dental care mission that I took to Haiti, I realized just how lucky we are to have the tools that we do here. It's our mission now to take that technology and our training to treat our patient family.
Dentistry has changed a lot over the last 29 years, but our philosophy has never changed. When a patient enters our office, they'll be touched by someone or something in such a way that they'll leave knowing they've been in a dental office unlike any other they've ever been in. That's a promise we'll never stop striving to fulfill.